Hi, I'm Chaurrvi Agarwal, and as the new Industry Dean of AAFT School of Animation, I'm thrilled to invite you to join us through our AAFT online platform. This program is designed for creative minds everywhere, providing comprehensive training in animation techniques, storytelling, and digital arts, all from wherever you are. Our online classes are interactive, flexible, and built to offer the same depth and quality as our in-person programs, with live sessions, practical projects, and expert mentorship. Let's embark on this journey together through AAFT Online, where you will gain the skills, support, and confidence to make your mark in the world of animation. I can't wait to see where your creativity takes you.